Hey guys, so today I have got a haul video for you and I'm going to show you all the kind of accessories and makeup and shoes and bits and bobs that I've bought in the sales. Not everything's in the sales, but some of it is, and some of them I've got deals and a little bit of discount and things like that. So I'm going to show you all that. I've bought loads of clothes too, including that red jumper hanging up there from H&M. There's been so many good things in the sales and I've just ended up spending way too much money. And I'll do a separate video with my clothes just because this video would be far too long if I showed you everything I've bought in the last month or so. In the sales it'd just be too long, so I'm going to show you what I've been buying. You'll notice a few of the items are kind of summer items, and I think it's worth spending in the winter for your summer stuff just because you can get good deals, and I'll show you that. But otherwise, let's get into it, and thank you for watching. So guys, I'm going to start with the makeup, and the first thing is I got these two on the Tarte website, and they came all the way from the US, and this is the Toasted palette, which I was dying to get for ages, and I actually went on the website and it had like 20% off or something like that. So that looks something like this. I've used that on my eyes today. It's quite a bit of fallout, but I just love the colours in this. It's absolutely amazing. So I got that, but while I was on the website I saw that they had this also, and I just thought I just really like the look of it. And I had a Tarte bronzer previously which I used right to pan, so I knew I liked their formula. And Tarte have just got some amazing makeup products, so I thought I'd give that a try, and I've also got that on today so you can see how it looks on my skin, and it's just perfect. It's just the loveliest bronzy glow kind of shade, so absolutely love that. I also bought two more makeup eyeshadow palettes, which I really don't need all these palettes, but I don't know, I'm just a bit of a makeup junkie, I guess. I bought the Revolution palette. Now this was not in the sale, but Revolution is just so cheap. Like, this was £10, and look how many colours are in the palette. I haven't actually used this yet, but there's some beautiful colours like a khaki green and a really nice berries and some nice neutral mattes and then warm tones. This has got everything you would need in it. Like, it's just such a multi-use for a night out, for an everyday look. It's called the Soph Ultra Eyeshadows 24 palette, and that was £10 from Superdrugs. Then I managed to get myself the NARS Wanted palette, and I wanted this, quite, pardon the pun, for the longest time, but it hadn't launched in the UK. And Space NK, I was just like waiting, and I had some reward points at Space NK because I shopped there quite a lot and I bought quite a few Christmas presents there, so I had about £10 off. So I managed to get this palette the day, like literally it launched, and I got £10 off. Just look at this, guys, look at this. Wow, it's just amazing. I saw Hey Claire do a look with this palette, and I literally fell in love with it, and I was like, I have to get this. I just love like the brown tones, the reddy kind of tones, and then the khaki, the gold. This is all the tones I would use for an eye look all in one palette, and I think this is such a good size for travel as well. And because I do travel quite a bit, I thought this would be perfect. So totally loving that. Although it wasn't on sale or anything, I did get like a little discount, so it did feel like I kind of got a deal, sort of, maybe. A couple more Revolution products that I purchased. One is the Skin Kiss Peach Kiss highlighter. Also have that on today. I've tried to wear everything so you guys can see what they look like on. This was like £4, so cheap, and you get so much product for your money. Revolution, you guys are killing it. Like, love your products. I also bought this Revolution Lace Luxury Baking Powder in Peach. Now, I look for this everywhere. Not all the Superdrugs have this, so you do have to shop around to find it, but it's so similar to the Becca blurring powder, and I absolutely love the Becca blurring powder, so hence why I thought I'd get this and try it out. And I use it like to set under my eyes, around my kind of this beard area where I like to lighten up. So this is really good and really finely milled and really nice finish. So if you're looking for a kind of a finishing powder, baking powder, this is really good. If you've got my skin tone, then this peach tone is really good. They also have the banana one, which is probably better for paler skins, and then I think they might have just a white, but this is really good. Also in Space NK, I picked up this Laura Mercier concealer. Now the exact name of it is Candle Glow Concealer and Highlight, and it is really nice. It has like a sponge tip applicator, and I've used it under my eyes today to brighten under there, and also to kind of just clean up on the sides here and around my chin. And I love the applicator, and it's not like full coverage by any means. It just gives you that a little bit of a lift, a little bit of a highlight and glow. I've got it in the colour number 2, so if if you're anywhere near NC42 skin tone like moi, this would be the colour for you. Final makeup product is this lipstick which I've got on, and it is called Mulling Spices, and it's a lip tensity lipstick, and it looks like that in the tube, and obviously you can see I've got it on, and it's really creamy. It's really nice. I love it. It's just, on the camera it looks a tiny bit pink. I'm not sure if it will look like that when I watch the video back, but in the mirror and in real life it's just red, like red, but like just the perfect red. I've got one hair product to show you, which I also got in Space NK. Sounds like an advert for Space NK, but it's just that Space NK is close to my work in Covent Garden, so I tend to go there a lot, and I get points, and I'm like a, you know, one of their premium members because I spend quite a lot of money in there. It's this Wee finishing cream. Now, I had the Wee wave spray, and I think that's how you say it, Wee or Key, I'm not sure how you say that, but I had the wave spray. I didn't like it. I don't know, I didn't get it. It didn't work in my hair. Like, I've got quite coarse curly hair anyway, and it just didn't work. This, however, on the other hand, is absolutely amazing. I use this, like, so, you know when I've put my curls into my hair and you want to like smooth through with something, and you just want all of the flyaways to settle, and like you just, you know, just to kind of have that finished look. This is perfect. I can't remember how much this was, maybe around the £20 mark, but this is so good. Like, the best finishing cream. It's amazing. I've used it about 3 times, and it was exactly the product I was looking for. I was looking for a cream textured product to finish my hair, and I looked everywhere, and then I just came across this, and I was like, let me give it a go, and I really like it. So good job, you've done good. This is a great product. The next product I want to tell you guys about is the Body Shop Chinese Ginseng and Rice Clarifying Polishing Mask. This is amazing. It really brings out the glow of your skin and gives you that little bit of exfoliating. I leave it on for like 10-15 minutes. I actually bought this along with 6 or 7 other products in the Body Shop when they were doing their 60% off just before Christmas, and oh god, everything ended up being so cheap. I got about 6-7 products for about £30-40, which is amazing, and it's a great time. It's a great chance to try things that you haven't tried before, just when it's a lot cheaper. So I think this was about, I don't know, ended up being £6 or something like that. Really good value for money. It's worth looking out for those deals, because sometimes it's an opportunity if you want to try something, and rather than paying full price and not liking something. So if you're looking for kind of glowy skin, a bit of a polishing kind of mask, this is a good one. I wanted to tell you about 3 nail polishes I bought, and they're all in kind of like nude tones. So if you're interested in nude tones, you can see I've got one of them on today, and the one I've got on today is this one, Pink Lemonade by Barry M, and I absolutely love it. It's just matches everything. And then I also picked up Barry M's, what is this called, Ballerina, which is just a little bit pinky, but I think I'm gonna have this one done next. In the winter I tend to go darker, like darker colors, but I don't know, recently I've just kind of been feeling the nudes, so thought I'd try that out. And my colleague at work had this one. It is a Maybelline. Love this sweater, and this is just beautiful. It's just a mauvey nudie colour, matches really well with like tan brown skin. I'm not sure if it would wash out paler skin tones, but it's beautiful nude colour. So 3 nudes to choose from if you're looking for a nude nail polish, that is, not a nude person. One thing I picked up in Urban Outfitters when they were doing a 10% off is this facial spray with aloe, herbs and rosewater, the Mario Badescu skincare, and I really like it. The smell is really nice. I mean, I've only used it 2 or 3 times. You can see that I've barely used it, but when I have used it, I've really enjoyed using it, and it's not that expensive anyway. I think it's about £8 or £10, and they do it in a smaller version as well, so if you want a travel one, it's ideal as well, and that's from Urban Outfitters. I'm sure you can get it in other places, but I did get this one in Urban Outfitters. The final product I've got for you is this Victoria's Secret's Pure Seduction Fragrance Mist, and they were doing 3 for 2 during the Christmas period, so I picked up 3 of them, and 1 in another flavour, and then 2 in this one, because this is the bomb. When I was out on my gym night with my colleague, my colleague, she's not my colleague, she's a friend of mine from the gym, her name's Amelia, she sprayed this on herself, and then she sprayed it all over me, and I was like, what is that smell? I mean, I've never tried any of the Victoria's Secret sprays, but this is absolutely beautiful. And I was in Superdrugs yesterday, and I know that they're doing deals on them all the time, so try and maybe pick this one up if you like it. But they have absolutely all of the, I smelled a lot of them when I was in there, and they all smell absolutely amazing. So it's all personal taste, but I really love Pure Seduction, and it kind of smells like what it says. It's very seducing, the smell and the fragrance of it. So give this a go. The next couple of things I'm going to show you, you're probably going to wonder what am I going to do with them in this winter weather, but one tip that I would definitely say for you guys is I tend to do a lot of my summer shopping in the winter, because if people are selling things on eBay or in stores, they tend to do deals like sunglasses. You know, obviously a lot less people buy sunglasses in the winter in the UK than they do in the summer, so they tend to do more deals. So I was in Sunglasses Hut and they were doing like 20% off or some pretty good deal, and I'd been eyeing up these Tom Ford sunglasses for a while. And I thought, you know what, this is a good time to pick them up now, because in the summer they probably won't go on any deals or anything like that. They may, obviously they may, but I just thought it was quite a good deal. So I picked these up. Let me show you what they look like. So they've got like a gold edging and then black and brown kind of finish, and I absolutely love them. They are absolutely gorgeous. Can't wait to wear them next summer and on holidays and all over the place really. Right, the next item is definitely a summer item. It is this basket bag. And I picked this up on eBay. Now, it's not a seller, so I can't give you a seller name on this. It was, I mean a seller, it's like a, I don't mean an actual shop on eBay, I mean actual, just the one person was selling this. It's absolutely beautiful. And guess how much I got it for? £20. Like, complete bargain. It's quite large as well, to be honest. I wasn't expecting it to be so big, but this is a bargain, because at peak season in the summer, when everyone's going on holidays and it's really hot, warm outside, people will be looking for these on eBay, and they'll probably be more in the region of £40 to £50, because these are the kind of on-trend bags at the moment. But this one, I just really liked it because I really like the detail here. And it's got quite a long strap, so you can wear it crossbody or you can just wear it over one shoulder, but just love this. And the second one is very similar but a lot larger. So it's this one, and it's got tan leather straps, as you can see, and I got this one even cheaper. I think I got that one for £15, which, like, you know, they're really nice quality bags and really nice finish. So, you know, to buy them kind of out of season is just, you know, works out better. So if you guys are, you know, you can do that, you are able to do that, then definitely think about, like, when, you know, summer is coming up, like what kind of stuff that you'll be looking for, and you know, look on eBay, look on the sales, look on all the websites, because you definitely can pick up some good deals. One final thing I picked up on eBay, I'll just show you that while I'm showing the eBay stuff, was these boots. Now, these are Fry boots, and they're in a size 4, which is what I am. They obviously look a bit battered and worn, but that is the style of them. And these are boots, I know they seem more like winter boots, but these are the kind of boots that I would wear in the summer with a really nice kind of wraparound dress, or I like to kind of rough up an outfit. I'm not too girly, as some of you may already know, but if I'm wearing like a lovely dress, like a wrap dress, or a, I don't know, like a floral dress, I'll wear like chunky boots and like really kind of make it look a bit more biker and cool. So I absolutely love these. I did pay quite a bit for these, but originally they're probably around over £100, I'd say. I think, I've not seen them, but I think that's how much they are, and I paid around 45. So, and to be honest, I think that's a bargain, because I absolutely love them. So yeah, really, really nice, like kind of cowboy style. Last few bits are shoes, and I picked up these two amazing pairs of trainers on the Steve Madden website. If you look at these closely, they've got like a gold embellishment, which I'm probably going to wear them with the outfit that I'm wearing today, actually, because I think they go really well with my kind of oversized H&M jumper, and I've got black jeans on, and like these look really nice with the kind of tone. And then these ones are really funky as well with a zebra print. And now these were so like, I got such a deal on them, because originally I think they were about $150. I ended up paying about $30 each for them, because they went into sale, clearance, then they had 30% off on clearance. The only thing was, they're not available in the UK. So if you're watching in the US, that's perfect for you. If you're watching in the UK, it's more of a mission. I was really lucky because I've got family and friends in the US, so I literally got them to pay and ship them to me, and I obviously gave them the money back. So that was, you know, that made it like easier for me. But generally, it's really hard. You can't actually pay on the US Steve Madden website, and you can't get them shipped to the UK. So there's a bit of a faff to get them, but they are just amazing. They're very much of the kind of Golden Goose style trainers, or the Stan Smith, that kind of shape, but just lots more embellishment and like really cool finish, like just really funky. Like, they really, every time I wear them, well, the few times I've worn either pair, I've always had comments. Everyone's like, I love your trainers, where did you get them from? And I think they're still available, because I picked them up just before I think Christmas time, and when I looked recently just to see what else they had on there, I think they still had them as well in a lot of sizes. So, and they're very true to fit, so get whatever size you are. One final thing, and these are my Topshop boots. So I picked these Topshop boots up slightly pointy and a bit of a cone heel. I picked these up in the sale, like 50% off. I think they're about £45 down from 100, and I love them. These are just perfect to wear with skinny jeans, black jeans, boyfriend jeans even, and I just love them. I'm actually sort of trying to transition out of all of my stiletto heels and going more for the cone heel style, because I love to wear heels but I just can't do it anymore. I don't know, I physically can't wear stilettos. I put them on and I'm like, ow, like I've kind of gotten out of practice. And also my journey to work is so long, or you know, London is just long. Like even if I'm not going to work, if I'm going anywhere, it's like there's always going to be walking involved, so it just puts me off from wearing uncomfortable shoes now. I tend to stick to, like, you know, trainers or boots, flat boots, but I just want the height because I'm such shorty, so I want some height. So this kind of heel is so good because comfortable. I wore these for a whole day to the office and back, and I didn't have to take them off, my feet didn't hurt, everything was absolutely fine. So and I think they've still got these available as well, so really good. Like these would go really nice with this outfit I'm wearing today as well, but just to make it a bit more casual and chilled, I'm going to wear my trainers, but these would go really nicely if I was going to the office. Today is actually my birthday. Ash has taken me out for some shopping, lunch, and we are going to go to cinema to possibly watch Jumanji or something like that. So hopefully we'll have a lovely day ahead. It's Sunday and we'll hopefully have a nice day. And yeah, that's it. So I hope you've enjoyed my haul video, and if there's any questions about anything, do comment it below and I will get back to you as always. And thank you so much for watching. Mwah! Love you guys, bye.